Hey there, I'm Jonathan. And if you're a business owner who's tired of relying on referrals, word of mouth, or the daily DM hustle to generate leads and grow your business, you're in the right place. On this channel, I show you how to scale your leads, impact, and time using smart websites, high converting funnels, and AI business systems that work for you 24/7. Whether you're a coach, consultant, agency owner, or an expert with a personal brand, if your website isn't bringing you leads on autopilot, it's not doing its job. So I break down the exact systems I use with 5 to 7 figure clients to build websites that don't just look good, they sell, create funnels that turn traffic into booked appointments, and integrate AI that helps follow up, nurturing, and scheduling without hiring any more extra staff. This isn't about hacks or hype. It's about real systems, real automations, and building a brand that actually converts. If that sounds like something you've been looking for, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, tap the bell icon, and get ready to build a business that doesn't burn you out.